Hey guys, so I got my straw. I keep wanting to say hay bales. They are straw bales. There is a difference. And so today is day one of conditioning them. So yesterday I brought them home, I set them up, and I did water them, and then it rained most of the morning, which I think has been really good for them. So basically I am putting my lawn fertilizer on each one, a half a cup per bale. And what I'm doing is I'm using a trowel to kind of open it up a little bit. These bales are new and they're tight, and I want that fertilizer to go as deep as I can. Now, the book recommends to hammer in a piece of wood and then put in a pipe, and then put the fertilizer through the pipe into like more of the center or the middle, I guess, of the hay bale. I have just literally put it on top the last 2 years and it has been fine. So let me show you. All right, so I'm literally just putting the trowel in as deep as I can. Like I said, they're really tight. I'm kind of rocking it back and forth to create a divot, and I'm just doing it all over the top of the bale as best I can. Then I'm taking my lawn fertilizer, which is 3003. If you're looking for the numbers on the bag, and I just sprinkle on top. I try to make sure I get a little bit more in the divots that I've created so that it can get deeper into there. Okay, there's my half a cup. And then I kind of go back in here with a trowel just to get, like I said, just get as much in there as I can. I don't want it running off because I am about to water it. So just as best I can. And there's some spots that are easier to get in than others. Now let's water.